So for this video, Fun Earth sent us this mushroom mocha coffee, and oh my gosh, it is delicious, guys. So I am the ultimate coffee lover. I have 3 kids already, so I need the energy to last me all day long. So I'm always sipping on coffee throughout the day. But now I'm actually pregnant again with the 4th, so I have to cut down on that coffee intake, and this is absolutely perfect. It allows me to have my first cup of coffee, but then when I'm craving that second cup of coffee throughout the day to get me through the day, I just go ahead and drink some of this, and it is delicious. So this is made up of 4 different mushrooms. You have the lion's mane mushroom that's perfect for your memory and helps with your brain support. You have the cordyceps that gives you energy, stamina, and endurance all day long. You have the reishi mushroom that's perfect for stress relief and your immune system. You have the chaga that's packed with antioxidants and helps with longevity. It also has cacao in it too, which is a nutrient-dense superfood that is just so good and gives it such a great mocha taste. This is also sweetened with organic coconut sugar, and it has organic monk fruit powder in it too, which just gives it a little bit sweetener too. So like I said, I love having 2 cups of coffee throughout the day. So what I do is my morning cup, I go ahead and mix this right in with it. So you just go ahead, I just take a spoon, get a little spoonful of it. You're gonna put it right in your coffee. You're gonna mix it right up, and it just gives it such a delicious mocha taste to it. You can't taste any kind of mushroom or like earthy taste. It still tastes exactly like your coffee. You don't need that much sweetener in here if you do like sweetener in your coffee, because it already does have that organic coconut sugar. So I just like to put a little bit of maple syrup in here and I'm good to go. So it does dissolve really well in your coffee. You will notice a little bit of sediment at the bottom. So just when you're down to your last couple sips, just give it a little stir and just drink it on up and you're good to go. So I absolutely love giving this to my kids too. When I'm drinking my coffee, they always want like a fun little coffee drink too. I love to just mix this with a little bit of steamed milk, and it tastes like a delicious mushroom mocha coffee that tastes just like hot chocolate too. And it gives them that little special drink while I'm having my coffee throughout the day. So I love that it does have a nice Ziploc seal on the top, so it's gonna keep it nice and fresh for you. Now this pack does have 30 servings in it, so it's gonna last you about a month, and you can pop it right on your subscribe and save and you're good to go. It's gonna be right at your door every single month for you. So if you're looking for a delicious mushroom mocha coffee, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.